Hello everyone, from Portland International Airport. I'm Alexander from Travel with Alexander, and today we're going to be traveling to the beautiful island of Maui, and more specifically the city of Kahului, on Hawaiian Airlines. The Portland Airport is going through major renovations with the main terminal, so be sure to arrive extra early if you plan to travel through here. Thankfully for us, the lines during security were not bad at all, and at our gate, we had stunning views of the ramp at PDX. Our aircraft for today is November 217 Hotel Alpha, a 2018 built A321neo. In the Hawaiian fleet, these aircraft offer 16 premium class, 44 extra comfort, and 129 economy class seats in a 3-3 configuration for a maximum capacity of 189 passengers. After boarding, I headed to my seat for today, which was 39A, a window seat in economy. This seat is very comfortable with lots of padding throughout. There are 2 pockets in the seat in addition to a USB port and a device holder, which I found very handy. The tray table is nicely sized and was able to fit my 15-inch laptop nicely. As for legroom, I was comfortable with about a hand width between my legs and the seat. For reference, I'm 5'9". And now that we're all settled in, let's taxi to runway 28 left.
The plastic breather bag may not inflate. Continue to breathe normally until we tell you it is no more tab. Hold the life vest by pulling down on the red tab in front.
Hawaiian Airlines offers personal device entertainment with tons of movies, TV shows, music, and my personal favorite, the flight tracker, even though I did use ForeFlight throughout the flight. To my surprise, Hawaiian Airlines is one of the only US-based carriers still offering a meal service on these flights. I found the meal to be filling and decent for the 6-hour run. I also enjoyed the Hawaiian Sampler Box, which offered a number of Hawaiian and Japanese snacks. These were my personal favorite. We were surrounded by clouds most of the flight, which also brought along some turbulence. We flew over the developing storm that would rock the West Coast just a few days after this journey. Before we began our descent, we were offered one more beverage. I opted in for the ginger ale, my personal favorite. And now as we begin our approach into Kahului, let's talk about the experience. Would I fly Hawaiian again? 100%. I found this product to rival the likes of Alaska and Delta on their Hawaiian offerings. The added meal service was a bonus, and the little touches during the flight made the journey seamless and extremely comfortable.